It's been 3 days since the United Healthcare CEO was taken to an out-of-network hospital. In those 3 days, over 4,000 Americans have been forced into bankruptcy due to medical debt. Over 300 Americans have died who would still be alive today if they were able to get health insurance. Over 1,000 Americans got married to access healthcare through a spouse rather than for love. What we don't know is how many Americans have died due to their employer's chosen health insurance provider suddenly deciding to not cover the medication they need to stay alive, or how many Americans have died because their GoFundMe campaign didn't meet the deductible that their insurer is demanding before they'll schedule their operation, or how many US diabetics have been forced to ration their insulin to a fatal level. Or how many Americans have become trapped in abusive relationships because they get their healthcare through a spouse, or how many married US couples have been forced to divorce each other so that the other spouse isn't lumbered with the other's medical debt. All of the soft power that the US has garnered over the last few decades through its massive entertainment industry is being destroyed because of how much disdain the US government allows American companies to have for the lives of the US people. This is the American exceptionalism that the rest of the world sees, and it makes it so much harder for the US to be perceived as any kind of moral nation.